Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Muhammad. I'm a writer and literary arts teaching artist, and I'm here with Sarah from Tacoma Tree Foundation. I'm super excited to host a nature writing workshop this Tuesday, 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that is on this Tuesday, April 6th. We are going to do a little writing exercise to get y'all familiar to what you might expect at this workshop. I'll have very open-ended writing prompts involving the senses, and the one that we're going to do today is if your heart was an insect, what would that be? That's where we're going to start. If your heart was an insect, what would that be? And Sarah is my student today, and so we'll just get started on that. And I will write as well. And you are welcome to write. Feel free to drop down in the comments what you end up writing. I would love to check it out later. Also, we will have the Zoom link posted in the description as well for the workshop. If your heart was an insect, what would that be? So we can write, let's think about this for about 60 seconds, and then I'll have a couple of follow-up questions. And don't think too hard about it, just write down the first thing that comes to your mind for this moment right now. And maybe you are multiple insects, and that's fine too. Also, by the way, we are currently at Wright Park in Tacoma, Washington, on Puyallup Tribe Territory. Feel free to listen to the beautiful nature sounds. Maybe somebody can identify this tree for us. All right, Sarah, did you get your insect down? I did. Okay, so the next thing is how would that insect move? How would it move in the world? How would it move through life? So the first question again was if your heart was an insect, what would it be? The next thing is I want you to think about movement. Or maybe there's not movement right now. That's okay too. But how would it move or how would it not move? You can think of speed. Is it moving fast? Is it moving slow? Not at all. Is there highs and lows in movement? Is there circular movement? Is there movement in a certain shape? Is there movement with other people? All right, got your movement, Sarah?
I do.
Okay, now I want you to think about how's your insect breathing? You can think about speed as well with that. Is your insect breathing fast, slow, at a steady pace? Maybe the breathing changes from one setting to the next. Like maybe you have a certain way of breathing when you're outside in nature. Maybe you have a certain way of breathing when you're with your family, when you are with yourself. How is your insect breathing? And again, we're thinking about our heart as well. After you've gotten down breathing, I would like you to think about feeling. How is your insect feeling? Does that change with the way it's breathing, or is it maybe the breathing and the feeling is on the same page? And Sarah, as you're finishing up feeling, I would like you to think about sound. If there was any sound that your insect could make right now, what would that sound be? Would it be the sound of crows? Would it be the sound of leaves rolling in the wind? Would it be the sound of grass? The sound of pine cones falling down? What sound would that be? Maybe it's something that you need to let out. Maybe it's something that you've been holding on to for a long time that you need to release. Maybe it's a message that you want to tell the world. Maybe it's something that you want to tell yourself or remind yourself. Maybe it's an affirmation. That's also sound, because our words carry so much vibration and meaning, and they affect ourselves, they affect the world. So, what sound would you like to make? All right, feeling pretty good, Sarah?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
like that.
Well, cool. Don't think about how ants breathe or how bees breathe, or I'm sure that their breathing is probably a little bit more natural than our breathing right now is, especially with COVID, everything going on. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this writing activity. Again, please feel free to drop down in the comments what you wrote today. I'd love to check it out, and I'll leave some comments. But again, the nature writing workshop is this Tuesday, 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on Zoom. So see the Zoom link registration in the description. This is for all ages. I just recommend bringing something to write with and something to write on, whether it's a notebook, a pen, or you can type if that's your thing. You can bring colored pencils if you want to do some drawing. But yeah, that's all I got. You know